ACM are the second largest manufacturer of bandsaws in Italy. At their factory in Novalara, they produce some of the most innovative bandsaws, paying special attention to the customer's individual needs. Each machine is built as a complete machine and tested before leaving the factory. If you were buying a machine or any piece of mechanical equipment, you'd want to know, if possible, where it came from, who made it, and how it was made and tested. Like many products today, bandsaw manufacture and design is not done by the company who brands them and who you buy from. Whatever it says on the label, 99% of machines are imported from China or, in a few cases, Taiwan. The machines are containerised and very often come in boxes as parts. The buyer has several hours work unpacking and assembling the product. Consequently, the product has never been tested as a complete machine. It also relies on the ability of the buyer to set up the machine to perform correctly. These are ACM's 3 new models, and like all ACM machines, they are built complete and tested in the factory. These 3 new 440 machines pass the same rigorous tests that all ACM machines pass. The Esperto for the small experienced craftsman, the LT 440 for the commercial workshop, and the 440 Education for schools and colleges. All 3 machines have the same incredibly strong body. This gives each machine the strength and rigidity to run at 1600 meters a minute and achieve a blade tension of 16,000 to 20,000 psi. No Far Eastern machine comes close to these standards. If you've never used a machine of this speed and high tension, you will appreciate the difference. Remarkably, when this same body is used in the BS and BS-LL range, the cutting height can be extended to 1 metre with no additional reinforcement. All 3 machines have accurately calibrated tension gauges and an easy moving handle and large diameter Acme screw to tension. ACM do not incorporate any hobbycraft gimmicks on their machines like cam release blade tension. To detension using our hand wheel takes about 15 to 20 seconds. People using a quick release system should know that tension needs to always be checked on a new blade. Blades are not necessarily the exact same length. One can easily be slightly longer, so needs the tension reset. Quick release is incorporated in no industrial machine. What can be time consuming in most of our competitors' machines is fitting a 5/8 or 1 inch blade, which is very stiff, and feeding it through a slot in a blade guard and gap in the blade guide at the same time. All 3 of these machines have hinged blade guards giving free access. All 3 models have a solid steel fence rail and fence. Fence and rail are factory set. There is adjustment, but it needs determined intervention to change the settings. It cannot be done by accident. The table is removed only for transport, as it makes the machine quite top heavy. All 3 models have 25mm solid tool posts. Both the LT 440 and 440 Education have top ceramic guides with roller bottom guide. To the back of the machines, the Education machine has a high quality lockable isolator and a large kickstop at the front. 100% duty cycle motors are fitted to all ACM machines. The Esperto has 1.5 horsepower, the Education 2 horsepower, and the LT 440 3 horsepower, all outputs. Electronic braking is on the Esperto, while the other 2 have electromechanical systems. Even the lightest machine is 185 kilos, but for those wishing to move their machine, a very substantial wheel kit is available. We also offer a cross-cut fence and a sanding and circle cutting device. This is our 3,000 square metre factory in Novalara, Italy. As well as standard machines, ACM design and manufacture special machines for a variety of materials. Look how easily this bandsaw cuts through SIP board. Sub-assemblies are made ready for the complete machine. The chosen wheels are then rubber covered, camber ground and balanced. Machines then go on final assembly. Lastly, each machine is tested, serial numbered and packed ready for transport to over 30 countries. These machines are built to perform day in, day out and last a working lifetime. Choose one of these machines and experience a different world of bandsawing. You can see the complete range of ACM bandsaws at www.acmuksaws.co.uk.